Today we're drawing a cute hula stitch with big ears, a flower lei, and a fun tropical skirt. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with Stitch's nose. Draw a soft, rounded oval right in the center. Now add the first dark shape on the lower side of the nose and shade it in. Add the second dark shape on the other side, keeping both sides nice and balanced. Now let's draw Stitch's eyes. Start with the first black eye shape beside the nose, like a small curved squint. Add the other squinty black eye shape on the opposite side of the nose. Now draw the large rounded eye shape around the first squinty eye. Keep it tall and soft. Shade the thick upper part of that eye, but keep the little squint shape clear. Next, draw the large rounded shape for the other eye, wrapping it around the small curved eye shape. Shade the upper part of this eye too, and leave the little highlight areas clean. Let's add a few small curved lines above the nose for the face wrinkles. Now draw a wide smile under the nose, stretching it gently from one side to the other. Add the tiny curve under the smile, and the face already looks way too happy. Now let's draw the head shape. Start on one side and curve around the eye and cheek. Then do the same on the other side, wrapping around the other eye and cheek. Leave a small gap at the top center of the head. Now add the little hair tufts in that gap to connect the top and finish the head. Now it is time for the big ears. Start with the first ear, pulling a long curve up from the side of the head. Round the top, then bring the line down and add that little angled bend near the lower edge. Add the inner ear line, following the tall shape inside the ear. Now draw the other ear. Pull it up tall, round the top, and bring it back down. Add the small bend near the lower edge, just like the first ear. Finish this ear with the inner line, keeping it clean and simple. Now let's draw the flower lei. Start on the left side under the face and add the first few small flowers. Keep building the lei as it curves downward toward the middle of the chest. For each flower, draw a tiny center, then add round petals around it. Then continue adding flowers as the lei rises up toward the right side. The flowers do not need to be perfectly even. A little variety makes it look more natural. Fill in the last few flowers until the lei looks full from left to right. Now let's draw the first arm coming out from under the head. Make the arm short and rounded, then widen it into a fluffy little hand shape. Add the small pointed claws at the end, spreading them out one by one. Now draw the other arm on the opposite side, reaching out in the same playful pose. Shape the hand first, then add the little claws around the edge. Now Stitch looks ready for a tiny hula dance, or a tiny disaster. Could go either way. Now add the small body under the flower lei. Draw 2 short lines going down, and keep the body tucked behind the flowers. Nice and simple. The giant head is doing most of the work anyway. Let's draw the hula skirt. Start with a curved waistband right under the body. Now start drawing the leaves under the band. Make each leaf long, soft, and a little different. Work across the skirt from one side to the other, layering the leaves close together. This part repeats a bit, so just relax and keep the drawing rhythm going. Add a few short lines from the waistband down to make the skirt look fuller. Add the lower edge of the band, then fill the band with short diagonal stripes. Now let's add the feet under the skirt. Start with the first small foot peeking out. Make the foot wide and rounded. Then add the little toe shapes at the front. Draw the other foot on the other side, keeping it low and balanced. Add the toes, and make sure both feet feel steady under the skirt. Finish it off with a few final details on the skirt, feet, and flower lay. Clean up the last small lines, and our hula stitch drawing is complete. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!